In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use or how you can add keyframes on your videos in Shotcut. So I have here a short video clip and I'd like to add keyframes on this. So the first thing you need to do is to identify the type of filters that you want to add the keyframe. So for my case, I want to add a zoom effect and then also change the position of this video at a certain point. The first thing you need to do is to move this to the end or to the beginning here, and then go to filters and then tap on it. And for my case, I want to apply the size, position and rotate filter. The first thing I need to do is to identify the keyframe start point. So if I go ahead and tap on keyframes, so you can see we have an option to use keyframes here. So if I tap on it, I can move this keyframe to a starting point. So I'll start from here or say from here. Great. And now I'll move this cursor from the point I want to apply the filters to the point I want the filter to end. Okay, that's okay. So I want it to end at here. So I'll go ahead and now apply the filter. This is, I want it to zoom. You can say to that point. Great. And then also want to move this position at that. So this is the start point and this is the end point. So this means this effect will only be applied between these 2 points. So let's go ahead and play the whole clip and see if the keyframes were applied. And here we go. And look at that. It zooms to the end. Great. So you saw how it zoomed in and also exposed the whole of the face. So if you want that effect to be much faster, you can also go ahead and adjust. So if I pull this back and then play, you'll see the effect will be much faster. So let's go ahead and play. And now look at that, it is much faster. Great. So you can make it shorter or longer depending on your interest. Now you can go ahead and add multiple keyframes. For instance, if you want to add another one here, and then it will be applied. So you can apply as many keyframes as you want on various sections on your video clip. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.